Hey guys, it's Danny and Wanda. We're here on Crazy Days. He's going to be helping do something. Well, actually, he's doing it. We bought something a couple of days ago at an, what was it? A furniture store.
Furniture store.
And I'm going to let him show you what it is. And it caught my eye, but I didn't say much. And then he decided he wanted it to.
Well, guys, what we have here is a very rare find. We found outdoor furniture, the old-fashioned metal gliders from the, gosh, I don't know if this was the 60s or 70s, somewhere along in that area. Still in the box, never been opened at this furniture store, stuck back in the warehouse back there. And this is a green one. Well, that's what's marked on it, was green. It's never been opened, never been out of the box. An antique glider, all metal, like you used to see on your grandma and grandpa's porches. And when I saw this in that warehouse, I was like, I gotta have that. And they actually made me a really good deal on it, just to get it out of there. And I was amazed. I told myself, I will take it. I don't care, I will take it, because it's all steel. There's nothing on it to rust. I mean, there's no straps to break, no hinges to rust, none of that kind of stuff.
They were made to last.
They were made to last. It has a polyester coating over it.
So let's open it so they can see if we did good with our deal.
Well, let's just see what's in it. Thing about it is, if it ain't all there, we can't replace it. Well, here's the, look, as old as it is, it's still in mint condition.
Nothing wrong with those parts.
Nothing. I mean, the screws are all still intact.
It's even got the little caps we talked about.
Yep, the little caps to go on the porch and everything.
They included everything then.
Wow, there's even an instructions.
That ain't riddled quite.
Well, it's been chewed on by roaches or something other, I'm pretty sure. But
okay, so
you can see there, it's kind of. We'll be a little gentle with it. I mean, I don't care. This is a rare find to me. I mean, look, the metal's in pristine condition. There's no scratches, no marks on it anywhere. To me, that's amazing.
Because you can buy these at antique stores, probably for the same price we paid for this one.
And they're all rusted up.
And they're all rusted, or they've been painted freaky colors, or, you know, something.
Okay, let's get here and just see what we got. I don't know how to get this out of here. We're going to take it out piece by piece, I reckon.
Oh, no rust.
That. No rust. Look at that. Mint condition. Wow. This is what I'm after right here.
See what the seats, oh my.
Look at that. Look at that.
This is like going through your grandma's house.
Nothing wrong with it. I mean,
Grandma kept everything perfect.
It's like pristine condition.
Isn't that awesome?
Let's check the other one, making sure nothing's bent. Look at that.
Isn't that perfect?
Pristine condition.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's smooth. Danny couldn't repaint it and make it that smooth if it wasn't.
No. Let's look at the backs on it. Look at that. Look, I mean, it's like brand new.
We may need the cardboard, so you got to hang on to the cardboard right now. And that's the old cardboard. That's a good cardboard.
Yeah. Look at that.
The backs.
Brand new. I mean, 40 years old probably, and still brand new. Get these out of the way. Okay, guys, this is actually a Flanders classic 2-passenger glider. It's outdoor furniture, made to be out in the weather, by Resto. And you know what I love about this more than anything? I'm gonna tell you, the number one thing, the reason I wanted this right here, for one reason and one reason only, and it's right here at the bottom, right there. That's why I wanted this. I really didn't care what it cost. I wanted this because it's made in America. This is one of the last things that I've come across. And when I seen the heading at the top of it, that's what really, I mean, look at this. I'm looking at it upside down. It says, ask your grandmother how long these chairs last. Isn't that a saying right there? You don't hear anybody say that. Today it's like, oh, it might last a few months before it breaks or something. Most of them have plastic parts on them or something like that. This is all steel. This is made out of 20 gauge steel construction. Bright, colorful. It's a polyester coating on it. Withstands the roughest weather. Like I told you before, there's no straps to break, no hinges to rust, none of that stuff. Good old American ingenuity, guys. Look at this. Amazing.
Ask your grandma how long these chairs will last. So in a warehouse, how long will they last?
Oh.
At least.
Do they even have a date on it?
That's what I wanted to find. I guess we'll find a date before we put it together. I don't know if they stamp these things with a date, but we'll find it.
Is this a date right here? Turn it over.
91.
91.
So it's not as old as we thought.
Not as old as we thought. Okay. 1-7. Is that a 91 or an 81?
91.
You sure?
I don't know. It might be 81 because some of
it's wore off right there. It looks like an 8.
So if it's 81.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's got 81? A barcode on it, so it ain't old.
It's not as old as we thought.
But it's still.
All right, it's still 30 years old.
It's made in America.
It'd still be at least sitting in a warehouse 30 years, if not 40 years.
It's been sitting in a warehouse 30 years, guys. That's just amazing to me.
30 years.
To find it in mint condition, never been opened, you just don't find that today. Guys, this is just a rare find to me. You know what I mean? Ask your grandma how long these chairs will last.